So here are the test results of this battery, the BRC ultrafire 4200 mAh. Oh, this is a wrong one. Okay, 4200 mAh. And this is the result that we are getting. It says here it's about 6 hours the USB fan can run, and it has a 2205 mAh power output capacity. That means each of these, using this DIY power bank, this output is about only 440 mAh. It's around there, 440 mAh for each of these batteries. But you must realize that it takes charging capacity, the amount of amount to charge this battery is about over 2,000. So actually probably about 4,000, maybe 4,000 or 5,000 mAh. So it's hard to say. Maybe this power bank is not performing 100%. That's why there's only a power output of 440 mAh for each battery.